Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video I will show you how to search for filter on Instagram, so let's start. First open your Instagram. Then swipe to left, to go on story camera. Now on this section you have filter who recommended Instagram team. On this section have a basic filters, but is enough for start. Now you need to swipe to right to end of section. When you come to this you need to tap on this. Now you have a lot of filters. Trending filters. Appearance filters. And lots section of filters. Now on this you can search any filter you want. When you type and find a filter, press on filter. Also if you want you can save filter. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.